प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। पूतने श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रच Okay, Hare Krishna. So this today is going to be the last class of the current module, module 2, and we will be beginning with module 3 later on. Okay. Yeah. So we will be learning about Madhavendra Puri today. Sripad Madhavendra Puri, a very famous personality. Before that, about last class in Ramananda Pandit. Am I not audible? Hare Krishna, am I audible now?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. So my question was, how did Shyamananda Pandit get his name Shyamananda Pandit? Who gave him that name? I got an answer in the chat. Hari bol. Radharani, right? Radharani gave him Shyamananda Pandit. That was not his name, but he got his name from Radharani. Now, what was his original name? Anybody knows? What did his parents name him? Right opposite to Shyamananda, right? What was his name? Who knows? Dukhi Krishnadas, yes. Dukhi was his name. Name. Okay, Dukhi. His parents named him Dukhi, and Krishnadas was the name he got after initiation. Who initiated? Who knows? Nobody knows? Hridaya Chaitanya. No, Ramya Mataji. Jiva Goswami is his Siksha Guru. Okay, Diksha Guru is Hridaya Chaitanya, and Shiksha Guru is Jiva Goswami. Okay, and what did he find near the well? Something he found right near the well that changed his life altogether. What did he find? That's how he met Radharani. So what is that one thing he found near the well? Hari Bol, Ramya Mataji. Yes, Radharani's anklet. Okay. So that changed his life overall. Then which Saki came inquiring about the anklet? What was the name of that gopi? Who knows? Right? So Vishak, no. Renuka Mataji, Ramya Mataji, everybody is saying Lalita. No. Vishaka Saki. Lalita Saki and Vishaka Saki are two prominent Sakis. And here Vishaka Saki comes down. Who is Vishaka Saki in Krishna Lila? Who knows? Vishaka Saki is Arjuna. Hari Bol. Who is this Survi? Yes. So he is Arjuna in Krishna Lila. Okay. Learning about Madhavendra Puri, Sripad Madhavendra Puri. Again, a very, very great personality. Use Madhva Sampradaya, pure Madhva Sampradaya to Bhava Bhakti and Prema Bhakti. Until then, Madhva Sampradaya was also only in Dasya Ras. Okay, maintaining distance, like how Hanuman and Ram, the relationship, right? Ram is, we often tend to feel that, no, oh, Krishna is the Lord. They're all just insignificant souls. And we tend to maintain a distance from Madhavendra Puri, who actually showed that the Madhurya Ras and other Sakya Ras and all that. And the internet, Mataji, I think that's why the voice is breaking. One moment. Just give me a moment. Hare Krishna, is it fine now? Is it manageable now? In case it happens again, please let me know, okay?
Yes, Mataji, now it's fine.
Karuna Prachu Heno Prabhu Karila Acharya Thakur Hena Prabhu Karta Thakur Jayani Krupa Sahasanata Swarup Rupa Kaha Sanata Kahada Saraghunata Patita Pavana Jayanilo Premadhana Karuna Prachu Kahamura Bhatta Juga Kaha Kaviraj Kahamura Bhatta Sahacharya Jayanila Premadhana Karuna Prachur Pashani Kutibho Mata Anile Pasibo Ganga Gunera Nidhile Pavo Jayanila Premadhana संगे के कोला बिलास से संग न पाया कंडे नरोत्तम दास जय अनिला प्रेमाधन करुणा प्रचुर हे ना प्रभु करता गेला आचार्य ठाकुर जय अनिला प्रेमाधन करुणा प्रचुर हरे कृष्णा हरे हरे Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Am I audible now?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, you're audible now. Mataji, I can't hear you again.
Can anybody read the translation? Can anybody read the translation? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
Translation. he who brought the treasure of divine love and who was filled with compassion and mercy, where has much a personality as Srinivasa Acharya gone? Second, where are my Swarupa Damodara and Rupa Goswami? Where is Sanatana? Where is Raghunatha Dasa, the savior of the fallen? Third, where are my Raghunatha Bhatta and Gopala Bhatta? And where is Krishnadasa Kaviraja? Where did Lord Gauranga, the great dancer, suddenly go? Fourth, I will smash my head against the rock and enter into the fire. Where will I find Lord Gauranga, the reservoir of all wonderful qualities? Fifth, being unable to obtain the association of Lord Gauranga, accompanied by all of these devotees in whose association he performed his pastimes. Narottama Dasa simply weeps. Hare Krishna Mataji.
World now. Um, Srinivasa Acharya is not there in this world anymore. The Goswamis all.
Mataji, your voice is breaking, Mataji. Can't hear you clearly.
Yes, can't hear you, Mataji.
If it's not manageable, then probably we have to reschedule the class.
Now you're audible, Mataji, but I think it's breaking in between and then suddenly it's coming. So
Mataji, can you try using hotspot connecting from your mobile, Mataji? Will that be possible?
Can you repeat? Reschedule the class. Okay, let's reschedule it to tomorrow then. Tomorrow is Sunday. Is that okay? Tomorrow will
Okay,
be
Mataji.
probably
At what time?
convenient for all of you.
At what time, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. But now you are audible, Mataji. I don't know.
I'm not able to hear you. The voice is breaking for me also.
Tomorrow at what time, Mataji?
Same time, is it okay?
Yeah, okay, Mataji.
Yes,
Okay.
Mataji.
So tomorrow, same time, please do attend. It's going to be the last class, okay, of our
Okay.
module. Yeah.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Yes, 7 to 8 tomorrow. Yeah, Madhavendra Puri.
Sure, Mataji. We will attend.